One of the records that I played the most over the last couple of months, I would say, it's a record that I bought in Milan when I went to visit the Serendipity store. And it was really nice. Let's see if I have a photo. Yeah, so this is me with Gabriele Casiraghi and Leo. So if you want to find out more about this, guys, at Gabriele Casiraghi underscore and at underscore leo.xyz, which by the way is one of the coolest username I've ever seen. Not because we're streaming from XYZ, but yeah, because these two guys were incredibly nice, incredibly good hosts when I visited the store in Milan. And I remember when I got there, I started to speak with Gabriele and I said, hey man, I'm after something minimal hypnotic, maybe with some fat bass, you know. He gave me a bunch of records, among which this one, I'm gonna share the cover so you can have a look at it. And I'm just going to remove our beautiful faces so you can take a look at it. And I really enjoyed it. For one specific reason, it reminded me instantly of Plastic Man, Richie Hawtin's production, and if I'm not mistaken, the original title of the track that kind of made me think about listening to this record was Spastics, but I'm not sure at the moment. Either way, it was a very nice record, and I'm gonna share it with you, and then I'm gonna tell you something more about Serendipity. Take it all in, streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center. This is 0 to 100, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy. Nice. Global Dance Archive. Incredibly trippy, incredibly hypnotic. Couldn't be happier. Couldn't be happier. If you've never been to Milan and you never visited the Serendipity store, I have a shot here that I'm happy to share with you. So here you see the Serendipity store. You see Edatil, Gabriele, and Leo. What a nice venue, and it's packed also. If you see, like in the central part of the store right here, you see there are like a bunch of sections where you can dig for gems. Fun enough, I found like a nice repress of an old Plastic Man record. So I think the stars aligned that day, and I was able to walk away with very good records that I truly enjoyed to play in my last set. So Gabriele, Leo, thank you so much. And for all of you, Serendipity Milan, check them out. And next time in town, stop by and dig for gems.